Hello, this is Pepe the Peep. I'm going to put him in the microwave and it will be delicious and nutritious. Let's see, how long should I put him in there for? I don't know, like 1 minute. That's let's continue the time. See if he gets any bigger. I don't know, this is my first time putting a peep in a microwave. I don't know if it's gonna explode or it smells good. Here's Pepe the Peep. Yeah. I guess I'll put him in there for 30 seconds longer. It's a good view. You don't always see the things in the microwave. You see how brown it is inside of inside of him. Oh yes, delicious and jiggly. Yeah. So that's the end of this video, and bye.